I've been driving Toyota 4Runners since 2013. It is now 2016, so that's 13 years I've been driving Toyota 4Runners, and each of them, I've had 3, has come with Toyota Care when I purchase the vehicle. Toyota Care, my understanding is you bring it into the garage at 10,000 mile intervals for 2 years, and they service the vehicle. They do an oil change, they do an inspection, so on and so forth. So I've had this vehicle for 25 months now, just past the 2 years. A couple weeks ago, I brought it in for my second and last Toyota Care service. To be fair, this is what Toyota offers for Toyota Care for my 2024 4Runner. 2 years or 25,000 mile complimentary factory scheduled maintenance plan. Covers oil change, full synthetic at 10, 20, and occasionally 30,000 mile mark. Inspections, multi-point checks on brakes, steering, and driveline components. Roadside assistance, 2 years unlimited mileage, blah, blah, blah. You know what it doesn't cover? It doesn't cover air filters. It doesn't cover an engine air filter, and it doesn't cover the cabin air filter. So I guess I didn't read the fine print because I thought I was getting a new air filter each time. So according to my maintenance guide, inspect engine air filter, right here. This is additional maintenance items for special conditions. Special conditions include perform these services only if you drive primarily under the conditions indicated. And those are dirt roads or dusty roads. So if you have a Toyota and you have 2 years of Toyota Care, if you think you're getting an air filter, you're probably not getting one. So I bought an engine air filter and I bought a cabin filter, and I'm going to replace them right now. We'll see just how dirty this engine air filter is after 2 years and 25,000 miles. Part of the reason why I bought the 2024 Toyota 4Runner is because I'm not really digging the 2025 4Runner, and it's probably a great vehicle, but little things like when you open the hood now on a 2025, you need a prop rod. I know it's not a big deal, but struts both sides on this rig. Anyway, back to the air filter. So the owner's manual says dust or dirty conditions. Now, I think you can clearly see there's enough dust in here that I do drive in dusty and dirty conditions. We don't live on a dirt road, and I don't drive a dirt road to work, but I do drive dirty, dusty, and occasionally dirt roads. But apparently Toyota didn't think I was driving on dirty roads, so I didn't get an air filter, which is fine. I'm really not complaining because I went to O'Reilly's and I bought these. And it was like 60 bucks. It was a little more than I thought it was going to be, but it wasn't terrible. These are middle of the road filters for this vehicle. So in order to change the air filter in this 4Runner, it takes like literally 15 seconds. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 clips. The box opens like this, and you pull the filter out. You can clearly see it's time for a filter. So this is the old filter, this is the new filter. There appears to be no right or wrong way to put this in. It just slides right in like that. Make sure it's sitting in there flat. And then close the box. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's all that's required for an air filter. So it's really not a big deal to change, and it's something that you can do in your driveway on a Sunday afternoon, like what I'm doing. Now the cabin filter is not hard, but I've got to empty all this stuff out of the glove box. Then I've got this divider here that I bought to make the glove box a little more user-friendly. Once you get your glove box cleaned out, there's a little door right here. Pull it open. Open this door. Comes right off. There's clips on either side. And then this is your cabin air filter. Okay. So there's the cabin air filter, leaves and all. I'd say it's time to replace this one. Make sure you put this up. And then you just put this in here, slide that in, There's an up and a down for this as well. Make sure that's facing up. Snap that into place. Snap that into place. And now technically you're done, other than putting all of the crap back in the glove box. All right, that's it for the air filters. It literally took less than 15 minutes to do both. And it's something that you can do yourself. And the whole point of this video is not to complain. It's just to let you know, if you're bringing your Toyota in for your service for Toyota Care and you're expecting them to take care of at least air filters, in my case, that did not happen. They didn't even try to upsell me, which was kind of odd. But anyway, so the whole point of this video is not to complain about Toyota Care. It's just to let you know I was expecting an air filter and I didn't get one. So that's it for today's video. If you made it to the end, I appreciate you. You are better than most. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. I'm going to get this cleaned up a little bit. Thanks for watching.